Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to style your tray for your spring and summer decor. I am so into the lemon decor. I love lemon decor. I did a video similar like this last year, but a whole nother twist to it. I'll be giving you two styles on how to style your trays or vignettes. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. But I have these yellow flowers here. I have a little bit of greenery here. I have this cute glass that I purchased from Dollar General. Dollar General is on it this year. Honestly, I prefer going to Dollar General more than Dollar Tree now. I still go to Dollar Tree, but Dollar General they really have a lot of nice stuff that I really like. I got these dishcloths for two for $1. These lemon dishcloths from Dollar General. This was my favorite buy of the day, which was these yellow serving tray. It's a bright serving tray, $1. Yes, $1. Watch out, Dollar Tree. Watch out, because Dollar General is on it. And I also got this light blue one also that I'm going to do. All right, if you're new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload a new video. So I'm going to share with you the other items that we're going to be using. I have these yellow cups. I got these from Dollar General. These all of my new Dollar General items for my lemon decor. I'm going to set everything right here. And these came from Dollar Tree like last year. These yellow flowers. And of course, I have this picture here. And this was gifted to me by my mom. I believe this also came from Dollar Tree. I also have these yellow lemons. This one right here is from Dollar General. That's a new decor, those napkins. I have this soda bottle with the lemon on it. This came from Dollar Tree last year. Not Dollar Tree, I'm sorry. Dollar General last year. And I left the tag on it. It was $2. I wanted a whole set, but when I got to Dollar General, a lot of their stuff was gone. And I wasn't able to get the whole set. So, of course, I got these straws. These came from Dollar General also. I think they came from Dollar General last year. Yeah. I just never got a chance to use them. And I have this cute clear pitcher. This came from Target. This came from their dollar spot. $5 for the pitcher. Sit it here. I also got, which I have not used this yet. I have a bunch of these. This is the candy jar from Dollar Tree. These huge ones that they were actually selling last year. These were the big ones. Now they got those little bitty small ones for $1.25. And I got this big large one right here, $1. I have a bunch of them. I have about probably like 5 of them. One on my coffee bar. Some I have stored out in my garage with my craft items. So if I ever need extra, I have extra. And I also got these. And I love using these. They've already been used before. Right here. This also came from Dollar Tree. I had to think about it. I couldn't remember if it was Dollar Tree or Dollar General. Yeah, Dollar Tree. There we go. This is an ice bucket. I like to leave my labels on stuff so I know where things come from. And this was a buy from last year. All right. So So we're gonna start with our first styling. I pray that everybody's having a great and prosperous day on today in the Lord. I know I am. Today has been a great day. Currently, the weather in my area is so warm. Like today feels like in between a spring and a summer day. I think it's gonna be like 79 today, and I love warm weather. This is like 79. I'm gonna say between 75 and 80 is my perfect temp. That's my temp where I feel comfortable, where I'm not like too hot, but I'm not cold at all. I'm just right. And that's my temp. So we're gonna start with this yellow tray first. We're gonna style this yellow tray. All right, let's see this side. Drop down in the comments below and let me know how the weather is in your area. So of course, I'm going to actually show all of you a picture at the end of the video of how the trays look fully decorated with desserts and all of that good stuff on it. So we're going to do this tray first. First thing I'm going to decorate is my little flower vase, not dish. And I'm going to put some of these yellow flowers in there. No, I'm not going to do yellow. I'm going to do green. I'm going to do some greenery in it. A little bit of greenery. Add those here. Just like that. I love greenery. My Dollar Tree has not been carrying a lot of greenery this year. Sad to say, they have not. They just haven't. And I love the greenery. I love the greenery. All right. Now, one more piece to get right here. This right here is one more piece that I have to get. I did not take the tag off. I normally do take the tag off, but I'll get it off in just a minute. But this is another piece that I'm going to actually use for the tray itself. This piece right here came from Carly C's. I don't know if any of you have a Carly C's or a IGA in your area, but it's a grocery store and they sell home decor items also in the store. And this was $1. I got like 3 of these in different colors. So we're going to place that here. We're going to also tie in some of my old decor from last year. We're going to lay some of these lemon napkins right here. I still have quite much left. Try to save a little bit of everything. All right, now we're gonna go in with this beautiful lemon towel that I actually got from Dollar Tree last year. It says, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So I'm going to sit that like right there so we can kind of like hang off right there. Knowing me, I'm going to switch it up a little bit. So I'm probably going to just put it right here for now. There we go. We have it right there. And now we're going to actually go in with some lemons. Guess what? These lemons are hard to find at Dollar Tree. When you see these lemons like this, make sure you get them. I bought these 2 years ago and I haven't found them in my Dollar Tree in about 2 years. 2 whole years, honey. 2 whole years. So make sure you go and check out Dollar Tree. Keep an eye out and see when they'll be actually carrying more of these lemons. Also, I'm going to add in these 2 cups here. I think I'm going to add it in right here. I'm going to put these are my cups from last year. I'll let you see those. I had these last year when I did a lemon decor. And I'm going to open up my this year's cups because I like the color blues that's in them too. Those are going to get used also. So we're going to take three of these. Trying to see exactly where we're going to sit them at. I think I like them right there. I think I like them right there. Yeah, I do. And we're going to do the clear. Yeah, the clear. We're going to leave the straws here. We're going to still keep the lemon straws from last year. Set those there. All right, this is the finished product of tray number 1. I have my napkins here. I have my napkins. Let's switch my napkins to over here. Let's see. See if that'll stay. All right. I have my napkins and everything here. Like how that look. It looks really good. It's simple, straight to the point, but it's also decorative. So I'm going to give you an overview of how the whole tray looks itself. All right, this is the finished product. I got this cleaned out and rinsed out. And I put some Milo's lemonade in there. We love Milo's lemonade. I still have my napkins here. I just unfolded them. My lemons, I actually have my little towel here. My cups, move that. There we go. And my greenery. Yep, that is tray or vignette, however you want to say it, number 1. All right, now we're getting ready to style tray number 2. And of course, you know, I have the light blue tray. We switched out the picture to this blue picture here. I'm sorry, everyone. I had technical difficulties. My phone fell. So I had to put my phone back up there. So, I have my lemonade already on the tray. And this is in a whole nother style picture. These are the type of pictures I grew up with as a child. So, we're going to place our lemon picture. See if I can get it there. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to also use this container here. Yeah. Take the tape off of it. Share some of your memories of your springtime and summers at home, like with your mom and your dad. How you grew up during the spring and during the summer. What was some of the things that you did that actually made summer and spring just the best time? I remember my mom always making lemonade, and she normally used pictures like these. Oops, excuse me, y'all. She normally used pictures like these, and she always had some type of lemonade, some type of cold beverage all the time coming up. And lemonade's her favorite anyway, so most of the time it was lemonade. So we're gonna also come over here. Move that. Put that back up. Come over here. Put down your jar. Y'all remember my lemons. I'm gonna add our lemons in here. There we go. Got our lemons in. Put your cap on just like that. And now we're gonna add this back, except for this time. Put that to the back. Except for this time, we're gonna actually add straws in it instead of the plants. So we got our straws. This will make a great straw holder. Okay, we're gonna be using yellow cups instead of the blue cups. And we're gonna lay down my lemon cloth that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm not Dollar Tree, but Dollar General. Set that to the side. So we're gonna have that here. Let's see. All right, we have that there. And now, lastly, we're gonna put down our cups. That's what makes it like so lemonade-y. It's the cups, and lemonade is not even a word. But that's how much I love lemonade, and I enjoy moments like these with my mom and my family. So we're going to take a few of these napkins, and we're going to just kind of layer them right here to the side. I think I'm going to fold them. I think. I can get them to stay flat. Can't really get them to stay flat. Probably gonna find another place to just place them, just like this. All right, this is tray / vignette number 2, and I'm getting ready to show you the full view. All right, this is tray number 2. Looks so good. I loved how it turned out. Thank you all for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And always remember to share my videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Uniquely Tay is doing a lot of creative DIYs and much more. Thank you so much. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye-bye.